Hello everyone, my name is Vim Sasodi and today I am going to explain my HTML file. First I wrote doctifile HTML. It tells the browser this is an HTML5 page. HTML this is HTML language in English means the page language is English. In the add section I add meta text on for text and one for responsive design. The I said then I set the title as my grade page. Inside the body I use header with h1 my grades h close h1. That's my main heading. In the main section I made a table with a caption called my course grade. In that I wrote the heading course and grade. In the tab body. In the T body I add my data 12th, 12th and 10th month and in the footer clause I wrote the total course. Finally in the footer I add update October. That's it. This is my simple and clean HTML grade page. Thank you for watching this my video and we meet in next part. Thank you so much.